Hello, everybody. I'm really liking it. Okay, all right, cool. Love the intro. Now, guys, we need to pay attention to Bitcoin because it looks pretty hairy right now. I mean, and so we're looking at some patterns, some pennants, some flags, and that's what we're getting into. So let's take a look, shall we? Okay, let's not look at that one just yet. I want to look at the other one. There we go. All right. So here we have the downside of Bitcoin right here, and then up, down, tightening, up, down, and then we break down. Could retest and then break down again. Here's the downside for Bitcoin: up, down, tightening, up, then down, then full breakdown. Okay. All right. So as Bitcoin is looking right now, it looks like these patterns, if you count the wicks. So let's get into that. No, that is not. I don't know why. That's not the pattern I want to show you. Hold up. Another pattern. Is this it? This is it. Okay. There's the pattern. You see what I was talking about? The downtrend, right? Down, Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin USD, obviously. Down, up, tightening, up, breakdown. But the problem is we didn't go up to the resistance line in the pattern. And then, and then down and then breakdown. Okay? That's not what's going on here. What's going on here, my opinion, since we didn't get up to this resistance point, guys, we went up here and then came down here. This isn't good. This isn't a good move at all. Like, what the heck? From this point, I mean, it was supposed to go here and then maybe break out or break down, right? But we're right here at 34,100 and whatever it is now, right? So 34,346. It's supposed to be up here, guys. I mean, this is the daily. That's a daily candle. I mean, I don't think it's reversing anytime soon. So what's going on? Well, that's relatively right there. And then because price is right here, guys, yeah. I mean, could we go sideways for a little bit? Sure, go like this and then go up. Sure, that might be the most bullish case. But even if it did that, even if it did this, right? Went up here. First it went right here. Then it could come up here to this resistance point, okay? So kind of like this thing, right? It didn't quite go all the way up, but then it finally eventually went up, went down. We didn't go up to here, but we went here, fell down here. Okay, and then this thing could go right out. Okay, this is a bearish pennant, a bearish flag. Okay, from the downside. That's what it looks like. Not good. Not good at all. Could it come up here later on? Sure. But in order for this to even go to the upside, I mean, that right there is 38 to 39,000. Okay. I mean, could it run up to 45? Sure. But then it would have to go like this. Retest here. Because that's a trap right there. And then finally go up, right? But that's what it could do, but it doesn't look good at all right now. I'm just letting you know right now. So this thing, as it stands right now, could be like this, okay? I mean, we didn't get anywhere close to the resistance to even show this down, up, tightening, down, and go all the way up like that, okay? We didn't see that. It literally just went here. Not good. It's a weakening state. Could people start buying? Sure. And finally go there? Sure. But guys, this, if it gets stopped there on the daily, it's going right down here. You understand? If it gets stopped at that trend line, it's over. We're going down. And the measure move for this thing, man, would be the flag, right? It doesn't look good. Anywhere from 19,000 to, shoot, we call it 25,000. I mean, anywhere up in here. There you go. 24,000, 25,000, 22,000, guys. Not good. But you saw the pattern, right? I mean, you saw what I was looking at. It's not bullish. Now, let's see if I can go to and share the other pattern I was accidentally going on first. Okay. Now, if you don't count the wicks, see, this is, let me explain myself. This is going up to the upside. This is going up to the upside. And usually those patterns look like that, and then they break out, retest, and go. Or they just do the same pattern and just go. We're not there at all. We're not in those We're not in those patterns. We're in this pattern. Down, up, down, falling wedge. We could break out, retest, and then go up. And that's what I was showing you. We could go down, up, down, tightening, falling wedge style, like higher highs and higher lows from this fall, break out. And this is what people are thinking right here, because Bitcoin is doing exactly that. Lower highs and lower lows right there. And then we break out of the pattern. Okay. Now these lines are showing you right here where these points are. 1, 2, 3 within that channel. Within this channel, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Within these channels, 1, 2, 3, and it retests and breaks upwards from that channel right there. Okay. So from that point. Now, the difference is here between the other one is the other one we counted wicks. It literally looked like a perfect, triangle, right? This is a wedge, right? You're wedging, okay? Get to wedging. Let's see if Bitcoin has any of that. Okay, here we are. Make sure you guys see that. Yes, you can. Now, this is the daily for Bitcoin. We're definitely in this channel, but guys, keep in mind, we did fall through. Now, that's short term, guys. Really, we're in this upwards channel. I mean, we're moving up. That's the trend. We're going up, okay, for Bitcoin. That's the trend. This could be a turning around point for the trend, just like it was right here, okay? So just like it was right here, it fell down heavily. We went sideways for a while. We found ourselves in this down, right? That's where we found ourselves. We started making higher highs and higher lows after the downward move, okay? And then we broke out. We broke out right here, and then we basically retested. Whoa. We retested that triangle, right? And then we finally broke out to the upside. And that's what you see right here. That's what that pattern was showing us. Downward move. This looked like, some kind of wedge or bear flag, right? But we literally broke out, retested the trend, right? If I can make this a little better there. We broke out from that resistance of the triangle. We retested it, and then we finally went up. Bitcoin, what is this? Bitcoin's not showing us this right now. What we're seeing is Bitcoin is freaking literally instead of on the upside of this wedge, we're down here. This is what Bitcoin's showing us. We're way over here, right? We're way down here. That ain't good. That ain't good at all, right? I mean, we're up, down, up. We're not doing good, guys. Not doing good. But typically, this is what you want to see. Okay? That's what you want to see in a bearish fall or a falling pattern, a bearish flag. You need to have strength to break out. Okay. So, without counting the wicks, because the wicks is what brought me to that point where it was like a bear flag and we'd break down. This is a channel, and in the channel, we're in the middle of the channel. Okay, so I guess what I'm saying is we're doing this kind of thing, okay? All right, and technically, I can raise this up right there. All right, looks pretty even. Now, of course, you might see something different on the 4-hourly or whatever. This is the daily. Okay. Roughly something like that, okay? Give or take, just like that. We're below this middle channel. That would be your median line on the pitchfork. There's your high line, there's a low line. You're below the median line. And so that's not looking very good at all. I mean, we can come down here and find support off that long uptrend support line, right? We could. I'm not saying we can't at all, but we're in like some kind of bear flag here. Like, there's no way of getting around it. We didn't go up. We didn't touch the top of the high line. We didn't. We didn't go up here. Okay, like there. That's where we should have went. Okay, guys, and then that would give us a little bit of strength to peek our head through with a candle, and then like out of this pitchfork here or out of these lines, and then retest, and then finally break out to like 45,000, whatever, right? And then there's your bear trap. Okay, so we didn't get none of that, guys. Could it change tomorrow? Yes. Right now, this ain't good. I mean, it's just not good. Could it look better tomorrow? Sure. Just keep in mind, guys, if it doesn't do what these arrows are doing, Bitcoin is going down. Okay. But Bitcoin could do this if it's going down. Okay. If Bitcoin's going down, here it is right here. Okay. And it touches this long-term support from the whole pattern, right? Ever since the COVID crash. And we touch that thing. We touch this long support. Then maybe Bitcoin can show us a huge move. Okay, up to 45,000. All right? Or it could literally grind, get rejected, come over here, find that support again, and then finally go. Okay? So, but what we can see right now, let me take a bite of this brownie my wife cooked me. Or baked me, sorry. What we see in this is a lot of weakness right now. I don't know where the traders are. I don't know where the people that are buying Bitcoin. I have no idea where they are. But the way it stands, I mean, Bitcoin looks like if it breaks this, if it breaks this long-term support line, that's what I'm saying. Like, we're going down straight up. And what it looks like to me is a bear flag. Okay. Not to mention there could be some kind of freaking death cross coming. I don't know. Some kind of weird bear cross that's gonna like bring Bitcoin down. Okay, on the daily. So just keep in mind, guys. Like, keep your cool. Like, I'm in DigiByte, right? So I'm just keeping my cool. DigiByte looks better than this. At least DigiByte is like doing something like this. Something like that, right? It's going upward. It's kind of, it's doing better than this. But Bitcoin goes down, then, then DigiByte would be, going down with it. But let's get out of this chart. So, let's see if I got something else. I just wanted to go back to, was it this one? Back to this. Okay, I mean, look, you can see it's plain as day right there. I mean, this is a bear flag. Bitcoin needs to get up here. Where is Bitcoin right now? Well, Bitcoin, where it is right now is right there. And it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good at all, guys. Ugh. It needs to be up here. I should have been drawing this line up here. But no, I'm drawing it down here. So it could be doing this if it stays, if it stays in the pattern, stays in these lines, resistance and support in the pattern, then, we could see DigiByte doing these arrows, or I mean Bitcoin doing these arrows, right? Got DigiByte on the brain. And then really you have to watch out. It's either, if it gets rejected here, it's going down, and then this goes down. All right, 1, 2, 3. That's it. X, A, B, C, whatever. I don't know what the numbers or the letters are, but if it breaks down here out of the pattern, we're going down. That's just the way it goes, right? I mean, and you know what? You know what happens if it breaks down? Less views on YouTube. Well, I'll see you in a few years. Hey, and if it breaks down, people will still think, sorry. Oh, get out of here. We're in a bull market. We're going up. No. No longer in a bull market, guys. If it breaks down, it would surprise me. Could we have like some kind of crash? Like, we could actually like have this crazy crash, and then maybe a crazy wick with it, and we go straight back up. That's bullish. All right. So it's all in how this, the charts look. No one knows where it's going to go, but guys, just the freaking bear flag here is just driving me insane. So I just wanted to give you guys those patterns, just wanted to let you know what was going on. If it stays in this pattern, draw the lines for yourself. That's all I'm asking. Draw the lines for yourself. Is this a bear flag? We're going down. If you look at all the pattern geniuses out there, you'll see this is a bear flag. And the only way I have a bear flag is if you test up here again for the third time and break through just a hair. You can break through just a hair and then retest right there. It would come down, it peeked through, and then a couple, like one candle body close up here because we're on the daily, right? And it would retest that trend. That would be good if it doesn't go down, but it'd be good to test that and then finally go up to 45,000, which is right there. And even then, guys, right there, that's you got resistance right there, right? Right. So yeah, 46, 45, probably 40. I thought it was 45, but anyway. Oh, if I was counting this wick, I guess. No? 43, 45, 46. Anyway, that's what Bitcoin has to do. That's what all coins have to do, really. On this kind of pattern, they have to break the pattern on the upside or break the pattern on the downside. But what matters inside is if it's hugging the lower side or hugging the upper side, on which way it's going to go. And right now, dang it, man. Right now it's down here, guys. Oh boy. Anyway, I'll just I'll make it look really cool like that. Maybe that's what we do. Let's talk about it. What do you say? Who's on the chat? What do you guys think? Bear flag, bullish, long-term continuum for Bitcoin. It's just not, man, it's just not looking good. It looks really limpy. Marker 80, what's up, Script? What's going on? We have some other stuff coming. Sniff, hey, you changed your name. No. The community changed the name, right? I'm still Script Skynet. I should be. Yep, right there. See, bottom left-hand corner. Script Center. The community picked a bunch of names like DigiByte hookers and dirty digis. Anyway, Digiverse was the winner. So changed the name to Digiverse. There was a poll ran and everybody voted. Sniff. Elon Musk destroyed Bitcoin. And if you haven't noticed, guys, there's a lot more traders in Bitcoin. So traders are good, leverage is good, I guess. But when you have a big mass crowd following Bitcoin in a hype cycle, in a bull cycle, and then everybody's involved, leveraging, trading, when it slows down, yeah, we can blame it on Elon. When it slows down because of a hype cycle, everybody and their mother are trading this thing. So everybody knows what everybody else is thinking. So the only thing that we got are patterns. That's it. And people leaving the space, getting hateful because they were super excited about Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden, they don't want to be in Bitcoin, right? Long Meadow, what's up? I have a small account that I've been using to flip. Oh yeah, you swing crypto? Okay. I was waiting for it to get close to resistance to flip, but it never made it. They're screwing us out hard. Yeah, I mean, look at what Bitcoin's doing. I mean, it's on the bottom. It didn't go up. It didn't go up within the pattern, and then it got rejected. I was seeing a bear flag and break down. Jonathan says more than likely up. Time will tell. Well, I mean, we could go up, but right now we're on the bottom of that bear flag. It's not. Hopefully we go up, sure. But then we have, that deadly cross coming around the corner, and that's not good either. I was seeing a bear flag. Oh, yeah. I don't know why. I just have a feeling we're about to explode to the upside. I mean, I just don't see explosion here. Maybe. Okay, let me look at it one more time. I mean, we can get up here to. I mean, there's a lot of resistance right here. What everybody else is saying, 45,000. Yeah. I don't see how we're exploding anytime soon. There's a lot of resistance here, guys. I mean, look at what's going on here. We got a lot of resistance. That'd be awesome. I mean, if every rich person said we're buying Bitcoin, right? And they're showing you their wallet sizes and all that, then maybe explode. But at this point in time, I don't see no explosion. I see a bear trap right here. I see the first resistance is this low. Then you got to get above that resistance, right? Then you got to get above that resistance. Then you got to get that resistance, which was that intermediary before we went up. And then, I mean, there's a lot going on here, man. I don't see explosion, man. I mean, I see freaking a war. That's what I see, a freaking war, man. There's a lot of resistance here. And this is your first test right here. 45,000, 46,000, whatever. Right? And then that right there could, set us back for, another half a month, right? Anywhere down here, right? Maybe right here. So right here. And then, we might try to go for it again and get rejected again, or just here, right? The next channel, 48. But really, I mean, This thing could go all the way down to this, right here. Could go all the way down here, right? I mean, we get rejected, then we finally, go up again. I mean, guys, this is a big channel here, and we're on the bottom. Just look at the lines. One line, two line. Look where the candles are. We're hugging this bottom area. Yeah, and I mean, look at Bitcoin, man. I mean, it's here. This level right here. I mean, we have to have a lot of buying pressure here. Could we go sideways in this little area? That little area? Are we going to go sideways in this little area? I mean, I just don't see it. To go up, we can't grind like that. Are we going to grind like that? We can grind like that, dude. We're going down. You guys want to? You hear what I'm saying? If we're grinding in this little area sideways, we're going down. We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm not, I'm not professional. I'm just here with you guys, right? I mean, I don't know. But yeah, it just doesn't look very exciting, healthy. How do you put it? Cool. I don't know. So let me just draw just what it could. Now this is a bear flag. Keep in mind, guys, this thing could go up and then down. That's what it's looking like. Down. Based on the pattern, this thing looks like it's down. Okay? So I'm not blowing smoke up your butt. Look at the pattern. But that's what you're looking like. Guys, you never know. Tomorrow, holy cow, this thing could go straight down. We don't know. We've seen everything. We've seen it all. We really have. Oh, you guys are watching that on the little screen? Sorry. Sorry, I should have did this, right? But guys, there's our patterns, man. That's a bear flag. But those are the things that have to happen. Okay? To the upside. I mean, breakout, retest, upwards, bull trap, 45,000 down. I mean, this thing is freaking really hairy right now. It just is. Man, I wish everybody like just keep stacking. If you believe in the fundamentals, that's all that matters. If Bitcoin's going to be here for the future, or DigiByte's going to be here for the future, or whatever coin. If you believe in the fundamentals, that's all that matters, right? It's the fundamentals that are staying ahead of other projects. This is the technicals, and right now Bitcoin doesn't look so high. It's a bear flag according to this. According to, if you rewind the video, you'll see the patterns. I mean, but if it breaks out of the bearish flag, it has to go up, retest. Actually, it doesn't even have to retest. If it blasts up, hey, we can just forget about this video, right? I mean, shoot, man. I'm just showing you a pattern, which way it looks like it could go. And right now we're on the bottom of that flag, and it didn't even go up. I mean, it didn't validate the pattern at all it didn't go 1, 2, 3, tightening 4. It should have went up here, guys. I mean, it should have went here, and then we should have saw something like that, right? Something like that, and then maybe downside or upside. But right now, that's where we are, right here. Like, that's where it could be going. I mean, Or it could go sideways and finally break out like this, right? It could go sideways and break out. I'm just warning you guys. I'm just saying, like, if you're a trader, these are all the possibilities. Actually, one more possibility right here. Okay, that's where we are right now. Okay, I mean, these are your possibilities, guys. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean, there you go. I just drew them all out for you. That's all we need to know. Both. Yeah, I hope they both just pop, right? The whole market. I hope the whole market just explodes. I'm with you guys. But you can't ignore the technicals. I mean, that's what we're watching. That's what we're watching, what the candles are going to do. That is it. And those patterns, they're more concrete. They're more concrete here. Then we're definitely going one way, or definitely going either north or south or sideways, east to west. The pattern's more validated. I mean, more concrete than what we might think it is. It's what the candles do outside the pattern that actually counts. And inside the pattern is how you kind of, weigh that outcome, right? Right now, Bitcoin is on the bottom of that bearish pattern. Who knows? Who knows? I've been hearing from you guys who are all about the charts that Bitcoin is going to 22,000. Yeah. Oh, they're saying 22,000? Well, I mean, we don't know. I mean, but that's a possibility. I mean, first, you say 22,000? There is 22,000. So everybody that knows about charts is saying 22,000. That's on the bottom of that wick. Way down here. Well, the measured move doesn't even take us to 20. So the measured move from this bearish pin, let's just take this. Right. Oh, I'm on the log chart, aren't I? Well, screw it. Oh, does it? Holy cow. We go past it. Well, everybody that knows about the charts, huh? It might be right. Of course, this is a log chart. Let's go to, I mean, it's possible. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, if we break out of this stupid freaking bearish pattern downwards, yeah, we're in freaking trouble. Well, let me just say this. If we break down, again, we can fall just straight down. Sure. Okay. Everybody that knows what they're talking about, let's just say 22,000. 22,000. We could. But if there's a little pep in the step from the breakdown, we could see, a little fight upwards before we get rejected. Okay. And then this freaking, slow kind of freaking downwards move, right? All right, so sure, there you go. I guess they know what they're talking about. I'm not gonna act like I do. Damn. Yeah. So what is the bull run? Is it over? No, I mean, I can't say it is. Guys, if we break out from here, get a bear trap, and then fall down and retest again from that bottom bear wedge that we're looking at, or a bear flag right now, and retests back and bounces back up, and it heavily moves, that's we're in the bull run. I mean, plain and simple. This is actually the bottom then, but we got to break out of it. We got to go up, get bear trapped, come down, and then just explode. But guys, if we explode right now and hit 45,000, it's a bear trap. If we hit 50,000, it's a bear trap. Until we make a higher, until we start, still we start taking more ground, higher highs and higher lows, right? Until we start establishing those things on the charts, we just don't know. We just don't know until it breaks out of the pattern. Then we know for a certainty which way it's going. That's it. We know for a certainty what to expect. Down out of the pattern, and then we retest, and it breaks down again. We know it's going further downside. If it breaks out and it gets rejected and comes down for a retest off this pattern and goes up, then we know we have some potential upside to find, somewhere a relative, a new high like we, haven't seen for a while, right? So, yeah, these are your possible patterns. Or it could go absolutely moon or absolutely freaking red dildo. So, Anita, how you doing? How you doing? If it breaks above 37, it's going to 52,000. If it breaks below, if it breaks above 37. Well, I mean, if it breaks out of this pattern, right? If it breaks to what you said, 37, yeah, which is that downtrend. If it breaks out and then it's not going to go straight 50,000, but we could, because we have resistances here, right? But yeah, we could go back up in these channels, sure, but we're not there, We're way down here, We have to find out. We have to see. We have to. Right now, Bitcoin's fighting for its life, literally. Like, ain't no one knows where this thing's going until Bitcoin does it, down or up. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to know, like, we're definitely in this pattern. I don't see any other pattern. No other pattern. I mean, damn. That was not an alt season. I was expecting. Well, there are so many good projects out there that stole the limelight from the blue chips. That's what it was. You got to think how many new coins came out to help the Ethereum blockchain. That's it. DeFi, whatever. Yeah. I mean, other chains too. We're going to be a new network. We're going to rule the world. We're going to do better than Ethereum. Faster gas, faster, cheaper, whatever. Guys, understand, like, all the alts that ran 3 years ago doesn't mean they have to run again this year. But the thing is like, through that time, through 2017 and the end of the bull market, 2018 January, the first second week of January, that was definitely the end of the bull market. The question is, what were you doing from that point on to now? Were you telling people about crypto? That was the thing. That was the gimmick. Tell people about crypto. Let them know it's definitely going up. And did we know it was going up? Or definitely going up? Well, according to the cycle, according to the technical traders showing us what has been showing in the past, and Bitcoin was making this exact pattern. Believe it or not, it rhymed, right? We were seeing things that were happening again before our eyes, and it did. But let's just face it. It all hinges on this point right now. Right here. This is it. This is it. I can make it look better. Let me make the chart look better. Okay, the next resistance. There it is. Everything hinges on this freaking pattern. I hope you told a lot of people. I mean, as far as I could tell, guys, we might have got a lot of new people in the space, but we probably got a lot more traders than investors, straight up. And is that good? Not entirely. No, they'll tell you, oh yeah, it's good. It brings money in. For sure. But the freaking traders trade over the investors, and the investors lose out, and they're stuck hodling and stacking for the next 3 years. So it depends on what is good to you, really. I thought we had, or would minimum at least see a 0.30 cents for DigiByte. Yeah, $5 for XRP, but it's not looking like that anymore. Well, we don't know. But I mean, if we break down, then maybe we probably aren't seeing all that, you know. If Bitcoin starts, I mean, seriously, guys, like, no one's telling you what it's going to do, right? Right now, I mean, Bitcoin seems to be so high in value that no one wants to buy it. Therefore, if no one wants to buy it, then no one's going to trade it, except the bears, right? So, yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin doesn't go up, seriously. Whoa, did I miss some comments here? I don't even know where sorry guys, did I miss it? If we go to 22,000, it's game over. Well, shoot, if we break out of this, you know, I mean, we're going to have to fight for our life. I'm not selling anything regardless of what happens. I'm here for the long term. Yeah, if you believe in the fundamentals of blockchain technology, of course, everybody's here for the long term. But I really think all that hype on all the dog coins and all the traders coming from the stock market, trading Bitcoin, trading all these, I mean, it just happened so fast, too quick, man. It looked like just a lot of sidetrack, people getting sidetracked investing in Dogecoin, and then, oh my gosh. I know people don't like hearing that, but yeah, I mean, there is no hype. I had a friend tell me there's no hype in the market. I don't think it's going to turn around. And then every week, 20% down, 20% down, 20% down. It all hinges at this very moment. Yeah. What's up, guys? What's up, Christopher Carter? All this means is we have more time to buy DigiByte. Yeah. That's all it means. All this means is buy more DigiByte. Guys, you know I'm stacking DigiByte. I'm showing you, really, Bitcoin's in trouble here. Like, it's either going to go up or down, and we better see something in the news. People putting money in it in Bitcoin, something. Could this be the big flippening, like Ethereum takes over and Bitcoin dies? Who knows? But it's absolutely nothing will surprise me. Nothing. But that's what you see on the charts. Those are your possibilities. That's what you're looking at. They're going to smash it again. so they can buy up all the weak hands, then it will shoot up. Yeah, it could literally fall nasty. Everybody sells and capitulates, and then all of a sudden, boom, right back above this pattern. All of a sudden, we're at 50,000 again. Yeah, I mean, and then bull market, the rest of it. But we got hit so hard with this hype of Doge, and people that would have invested in sound fundamental projects, they put it in Doge and they got wrecked. Seriously wrecked. Bad. I want to hear stories. I want to hear stories that people bought the dog coin next year, and that's what, took us to the bear market because they trusted Elon. I want to hear stories. I want to hear them come out and say their testimony. Yeah, I wish I had invested in one of those real blockchains. I wouldn't be here living under a bridge in Denver or Chicago. Sniff 2017, 2020, 2023. Wow. Nice. Igor, bear market for a while is God's blessing. Buy more dub on cheaper price. I don't know what dub is, but if you were saying DigiByte, I'm with you. John Ray, hey, how you doing, John? If it goes down, I'll buy more. If it goes up, I'll buy more. Yeah, that's how it is. In 5 years, we'll be so glad we kept dollar cost averaging. Just depends on when you need to exit. Yeah, and guys, I was just showing you the charts where it's really the deciding factor. It literally is. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, it's all hinging on this freaking weird bearish potential rebound fall pattern, whatever you call it. Rebound, trap, fall, moon mission, relative bottom, respect the trend, going up. It really does call everybody's attention to this exact pattern. I mean, I don't really, like staring at the charts, but yeah, that's it, man. That's it. I don't know. I just feel like this wasn't it. There's no way that what we have seen so far is it. Yeah, I mean, there's no blow off top, right? There just wasn't. Let's just hope it's not over. And don't get your hopes up if it is over. It was a little freaking fast. No freaking way this party is over that fast. Gene, with this kind of chart, the only way is up. Yeah, I mean, if you zoom out, we're on the uptrend. Gil Drain. Well, nice to see you, Gil, or Grill. I'm sorry. Nice to see you, Grill. I want to thank you, Hanker Bedford, on Telegram for your hard work and dedication. Who's Hanker Bedford? Hanker Bedford, are you here? I don't remember seeing. Who's Hanker Bedford? Someone in the chat. Who's Hanker Bedford? I just want to know. Say right now who Hanker Bedford is. If you're not saying who Hanker Bedford is, I'm kicking you out. Did you misspell that? Did you misspell Hanker Bedford for Houchery or Houchery? I don't even know how to pronounce that, man. Can we just go back to first names? Man, where did everybody go? I'm sorry, man. I don't even know where I am. Oh, Grill. I don't know who. Yeah, Hacker Bedford. I don't know. Hacker Bedford. Who's Hacker Bedford? Right now. Put it in the chat. Are you there? Oh, anyone mentioning this is a scammer? All right, I'm kicking him out right now. Sorry, buddy, but you're gone. Where are you? I'm gonna find you. Who was that guy? Wow, did he leave? This guy right here? Yeah. You're a scammer, dude? You want to mention hackers and scammers and stuff? The end of fun. I blocked you, man. You're done. I blocked you. Anybody leverage right now is crazy. Either way, I have my money on Tether right now, waiting on confirmation on the bottom. All right, Warband Gamer. Bearish pattern. Yeah, it is a bearish pattern for sure. It's a bear pattern, bear flag. Nathan, what's going on, guys? Worst case scenario, we see a dip to 9 to 15,000 in the next 6 weeks. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that would be one of the worst case scenarios, wouldn't it? Or say, but could definitely see the exact opposite. Such weird time, yeah. In 2023, before the halving, we may be in a bear market. Yeah. Crazy time, man. Warband Gamer. It won't reach 22,000. The resistance to bulls very high for 28, 30. Yeah, I'm thinking, 30. Well, I was thinking 32,000 for a bottom if Bitcoin hit like 150,000 to 100,000. Like 20,000 to 3,200. Perfect time to gather more. I mean, guys, I'm not buying any Bitcoin until I figure out what's going on. Like, if it does, this is the deciding factor of Bitcoin right now. This pattern. And ain't no one telling me it ain't. No one. Guys, if this thing goes lower than that thing, yeah, it's over. It's over. All right? You can dollar cost everything. I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it for Bitcoin. I'll do it for DigiByte. I'll do it for everything else. I'm not doing it for Bitcoin. No way. I mean, I'm not against it. Just saying. If it breaks that, Bitcoin has a long way to go. I don't have money like that, Nathan says, look at BTC's movement compared to prior halving periods. Yeah, like it went up a lot. Warband Gamer, Doge, Shibu, and SafeMoon destroyed this all. Yeah. Guys, all the dog coins destroyed it, and the cat coins coming out soon will just push it further down. And I ain't joking. Like, Sure. Safe Moon, Cum Rocket, Shibu, Doge. What a freaking joke. They're just playing on people's emotions. Like, oh, look at the cute little puppy dog. He don't bite. Ugh. I set 2035. Yeah. DGB 2035. Long metal. IMO. It breaks down and finds a critical bottom. Then, bam. Face dripper. Face melt. Delta 5, 22,000. Buy. Yeah, let's hope so. Ripper. Frederick. A very big thank to Hanker. Oh, yeah? All right, you're done, man. I don't even know who that is, but you're done. That's the second time. Freaking. The end of fun. I blocked you, man. You're done. Another guy had another, like. All right. JC, don't short BTC tonight. Golden Cross is about to happen in the 2-hour chart and monthly candle closing bullish. Should be at 10% up. It could be, but I don't short. But if anybody else is listening, if you guys short, smaller time frames could be wrecking you, I guess, is what you're saying. Thanks for the information. Long metal, a buddy of mine was buying Doge and Shiba the week of Saturday. I told my buddy, I was like, listen, if Elon mentions Doge, then Doge could possibly moon to $1. And then he was like, why would you get in then? Why don't you get in before? I go, well, I wouldn't never get into Doge unless if it's pumping. Like, here's 1,000, watch it go up, make me, another 1,000. Sure. He literally got pissed off at me for trying to explain what was going on. Now he has half his mic. Of course, you warned him though, right? It's not even your fault, right? He was dumb just like all the other people. Nathan says, anyone mentioning Hanker is a scammer. Yeah, I got him. I won't block you, Nathan. But that guy before, yeah. I blocked that sucker. Blocked 2 of them already. I don't even... Hanker. Thank you. Frederick and Grill. Yeah. Both those guys are gone. Alright, guys. There's your pattern. I just want to blow it up here. Okay. Those are all your possibilities for Bitcoin. Could moon from here. That means candle green dildo or red dildo down. But this is your possibilities. So just meditate on that thing, man. And know that this is the pivot point for Bitcoin. And that's a fact. And guys, on that note. Oh, we got Joseph. How you doing? Head and Shoulders pattern playing out on the monthly for DGB. Yeah, could play out. Let's just find out. What Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin goes up, then DigiByte on that Head and Shoulders could definitely go. I see it going back up to 8 cents. And dropping back down to 2 cents. Whoa, dude, that's extreme. Man, Joseph, I want to see your charts. I want to see what you're looking at, buddy. For real, I don't know, man. I'm not a professional. Those are serious extremes, man. Especially if Bitcoin goes up. I don't think DigiByte is going to go down to 2. You know, if Bitcoin goes down now, DigiByte ain't going up. You know, Nathan, can't wait to accumulate more. I said on 20, 30, 35. Yes. Joseph said, yep. Nathan, peace out, brother. About to eat and sleep. Yeah. And there's my song now playing without the intro. You know what? Maybe we should just, I don't know. Let's just do the old intro that I used to, or outro. The very old. Here you go.